Okay. Tutorial how to make a lightsaber. So first, put a chair down, put fire, like a cake in your body, stand up, and then do this email quickly. Get a glue block because I'm not quick at clicking. And make the firework invisible. And then, okay, now we need plastic. Okay, do this. And now I also need the neon block. And merging level has to be red. Okay. And then make like a pole out of this. And that's almost done. You need spike blocks too. Everyone, and the game even has spike blocks. And then just build like a tower, something. And then make all of the spike blocks invisible. Oh, it's called a spike trap. And then get another glue block, place it right here. I'll just add another one in case it's not attached. Make all the glue blocks invisible. Delete the chair. And anchor everything. And that's done. You have a working lightsaber, but PvP has to be on. Okay, let's turn PvP on. And I'm just using it. Oh yeah, you can't hold it. You have to spam click space. But I'm on mobile, so I have to click. Someone's trying to kidnap me.